Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nana Dwi Ainingsi. I'm from Department IPIF, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Here, I will talk about the decline in the exchange rate of the rupiah against the US dollar. Do you know what problem Indonesia is experiencing now? The problem is the exchange rate of the rupiah against the US dollar. And do you know the causes of the problem? Yes, that's right. The problem is caused by coronavirus. The impact of the coronavirus is very disruptive of the Indonesian economy. Can be seen from the value of the rupiah to be until 16,000 US dollar on March 2020. And move on to the chart. In here you can see the change rupiah from year, and here you can see chart by date in 2020. And next, so how are the government effort to overcome the problem of the decline in the rupiah? Do you know? Let me explain for you. The first attempt is made by the government is to increase export commodity. In here, the reason the government wants to boost the interest of other countries toward Indonesian production. In here, government prepare the two steps. One, increase market access abroad by establishing trade cooperation. This step is carried out so that export goods can maintain the trade deficit. And second, promoting export product at home and abroad. This promotion step is so that local product can be recognized in the global market and can reduce the weakening of the rupiah exchange rate. Therefore, the government must be able to use effort to increase export properly and be ready with all the consequences. Second attempt to control import commodity. The reason is that currently import are the main problem causing the rupiah exchange rate to fall because the majority of products are made from semi-finished raw materials. And Indonesian industrial development is still weak. From CNBC Indonesian article, to control, the government does three things. First thing, to maintain an inventory of goods to conduct market cooperation. Market operation. The aim is to keep the stock of import goods from running out, and if necessary, market operation will be carried out. The second, completing the policy of limiting import commodity. This restriction is carried off for consumer goods and products that have been produced in the country by taking into account the provision and agreement, so as not to interfere with investment. Final, controlling food price to remain stable by encouraging export. By exporting more, it is expected to be profitable in strengthening the dollar. Therefore, by controlling in import commodity, the government hopes the exchange rate of the rupiah against the dollar will stabilize. Next, I will move on to the final discussion. The government trying to expand the application of biodiesel. The reason is that the expansion of the application of the biodiesel is expected to reduce import. The coverage Liputan 6 said the government began implementing this step in September 2018. This application is mixed of 20% biodiesel with diesel fuel, or you can calling B20. And this has been regulated in Presidential Regulation or Perpres number 66 of 2018, which regulate the intensive provision of palm oil mixed with all types of diesel fuel. This has been by implementing B20, it can give positive result, namely saving in the country foreign exchange of around 5.5 billion US dollar. The expansion of the application of biodiesel is part of the policy to encourage export and slow down import. Therefore, the application of biodiesel is expanded to make the balance of payment healthy and can save the country foreign exchange. And the conclusion, the government can overcome the problem of the weakening of the rupiah so that it does not decrease further, namely by increasing export commodity, controlling import duty, and expanding the application of biodiesel in Indonesia. There is a quote, fall is normal thing, and unusual it's fall but does not want to get up again. Come on the rupiah, you can get up. If the rupiah strength, we will feel the benefit. Where if the rupiah weak, we will also be affected. Therefore, we as Indonesian citizens must participate in helping to stabilize the condition of the rupiah by support government efforts. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.